All right, new arrival. This has got to be one of the most interesting cars I've ever come across. It is a one owner, 1996 993 twin turbo. ROW, so that's rest of world, is a German car. The original owner, the only owner, ordered this car in 1996 through Porsche out there in Germany. He ordered it as a standard turbo with sport seats, deviated stitching, and a WLS X50 power package, which is 430 horsepower. And then about a year later, he brought it back to Porsche and decided to upgrade it to a Turbo S package. So you get the front Aerokit, the rear Aerokit spoiler, the yellow calipers, the finish on the wheels. Obviously, the hand-formed Turbo S scoops, the 4 exhaust pipes. But while I was there to do the body kit and the conversion, he also had it upgraded through the factory to WLS II, basically a 450 horsepower K24 turbos. It's an incredible car. Again, it's a one owner car that's lived in Germany its entire life up to last year. The one owner, original owner, also had a home in the United States and brought it over here after the 25-year rule expired. So now you can bring these cars here to the United States. So, again, it is a twin turbo converted to a Turbo S package with a 450 horsepower performance package. These are originally in the car, so with the deviated stitching. One option I've never seen before is deviated stitching or red stitching on the steering wheel. It's a first for me. I have never seen that, but that's all on the build sheet. It's got 61,000 kilometers on it. Nothing's been converted. It's also a factory phone that's wrapped in leather as well. It's a Nokia phone. If you saw there's a little antenna on the roof over here. That's for the factory phone. And it's just dynamite. No modifications outside of what Porsche did for the original and only owner. Also, you can see the red stitching in the back seats here too, which is awesome, really cool. Not too much in the back in terms of, the same intercooler. It's all stock. It's just got an upgraded turbos and ECU. And again, 450 horsepower from Porsche. Really incredible car. Again, one owner, 1996 993 twin turbo with a Turbo S package by Porsche in Germany. And it's here now in the United States. It's a really, really rare car. I've never seen another one. I don't know if I ever will. Truly amazing car.